talking about the mammalian teeth, where we were looking at dentition. And in that same last class, can anyone still remind us what we said then, how we described dentition? Is there someone that can remind us how I defined dentition to us in our last class? Can anybody draw us back? Okay, Blessing Chukwuemeka, let's hear from you.
Dentition can be defined as the arrangement of teeth.
Good, correct. Is there someone else? Onoja John, is Onoja John here with us? Onoja John, are you active with us? Onoja John, okay, not active. Chinedum Raphael, are you active with us? I just want someone. Okay, Faith Emmanuel. Okay, let's hear from you. Definition of dentition, please.
Dentition is the number or arrangement of teeth in an organism.
Very good. So I told us that dentition refers to the number and arrangement of teeth in the mouth of an organism. So each and every one of us, we have our teeth in our mouth. So the way our teeth, the number of teeth we have in our mouth, and how those teeth are being arranged, that is what we call dentition. When you look at yourself in the mirror, the way your teeth is being arranged in your mouth, that is what we call dentition. So I also went further to tell us that we have two types of dentition, where I told us about the homodent and the heterodent dentition. I told us about the homodent and the heterodent dentition, where I told us that the homodent dentition is the type of dentition where organisms have the same type of teeth that perform the same function with no difference. And the heterodent is the type of dentition where organisms possess different types of teeth with different functions. Can someone remind me what an example of organism I said that possess homodent dentition? Anybody? Any example of organism that possess homodent dentition? Anyone? Okay, Blessing Chukwuemeka.
Lizard.
Okay, good. Lizard. Another one.
Crocodile.
Very good. What of heterodont dentition?
They do not have the same teeth throughout their lifetime.
Good. So what is an example of organisms with heterodont dentition?
Humans. We humans. Dogs.
Sheep. Dog.
Good. These are organisms that have heterodont dentition. We humans being a typical example of that. So I also went further to tell us that we have two sets of teeth. I told us that we have two sets of teeth, where we have the milk teeth and the permanent teeth. I also went further to tell us the types of teeth. How many types of teeth did I list to us? Can someone remember how many types of teeth I listed to us?
Five types of teeth here. The canine, the incisor,
the premolar.
Okay, one person at a time. Let's hear from Lawal Halia. Let's hear Lawal Halia. Please give us the types of teeth I told us about.
You gave us 4.
Okay.
Incisors,
okay.
Canine, premolars, and molars.
Good. Thank you so much, Lawal Halia. So these are the 4 types of teeth I gave us. And I also went further to give us the structure of a teeth. Okay, I'll share my screen now so that we'll pick it up from there. I'll share my screen. I also went further. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
So I went further to give us the structure of a tooth. So this is what a tooth looks like. This is what a tooth looks like. I also showed us a diagram of human dentition that shows you the four types of teeth, and also shows you what dentition talks about, which is the arrangement of this teeth in our mouth. And I showed you the type of an example, typical structure of a tooth, where I told you that a tooth is divided into three segments: the crown, the neck, and the root. And these are the parts that are all encompassed in this. Can someone tell me what I said the function of the pulp cavity is in the teeth? Is there someone that can remind us what I said about the pulp cavity of the teeth? Anyone? If you know, just give me a raise of your hand and you will explain to us the pulp cavity. The pulp cavity. What did I say is the function of the pulp cavity that contains the blood vessel in our tooth? Can someone remind us the function? Anyone? Faith Emmanuel, can you help us? Faith Emmanuel. Okay, DB Love, can you help us out? Okay, so that was like, so can you hear me?
So you said the pulp cavity contains nerves. Blood vessels.
Good. So that was what I explained about it. Thank you so much. So we'll just go further to the whole description in details. I said I will be looking at the dental formula proper. So looking at the, can you all see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now this is what the dental formula of some mammals look like. When we talk about the dental formula, we're just talking about the representation of the teeth present in the mouth of the animal as regards their feeding adaptation. So the way their teeth are arranged in their mouths as regards their feeding adaptations, so that is what we mean when we talk about the dental formula of animals. So looking at this now, what this is simply trying to tell us is that in the dental formula of a man, this I signifies the incisor, 2 signifies the canine, P signifies the premolar, and M signifies the molar. So in dental formula, you can come to an exam and see a dental formula, and then you're asked which mammal has the above dental formula. You can see this is man having 2/2 of incisor, 1/1 of canine, 2/2 of premolar, 3/3 of molar. What this simply means is that the numerator indicates the upper jaw, while the denominator indicates the lower jaw. Numerator and denominator indicating the upper and the lower jaw. And then for dog, you can see that the incisor 3/3, the canine 1/1, the premolar 3/3, the molar. I think there is a mistake in the dentition of the dog here. Hope you all see my screen very well.
Yes, sir. There's a mistake.
Very good.
Yes,
exactly.
sir.
I just detected. Please note down that in the dentition of a dog, the incisor is 3/3. Please, are you noting down? The
Yes,
incisor is
sir.
3/3.
Yes, sir.
The canine is 1/1. The premolar is 4/4, not 3/3, please.
4/4. Then the molar is 2/3.
Very good. 4/4, then the molar is 2/3. Okay, I guess most of you must have detected the correction before now, detected the mistake before now, right?
Yes, sir.
Good. And the total dental formula is 42. Right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Good, that was a mistake. I just detected that now. So sorry. Please, for those of you that have read the slide before now, do well to make the corrections so that you don't get mixed up in exams. Okay, for a dog, it has 3/3 of incisor, 1/1 of canine, 4/4 of premolar, and 2/3 of molar. Then for sheep, sheep has 0/4 of incisor. Sheep has 0/4 of incisor. It has 0/0 of canine. What it simply means is that a sheep has no canine at all. It has 3/3 of premolar, and it has 3/3 of molar. Remember, what this simply means now is that for a sheep, it has 3 molar on the upper. It has 3 molar on the upper jaw. Just like you can see here now, there is molar here. This is molar, and further in this upper jaw, when we go deeper, there is 2 molar. So the 2/2 means 2 up or 2 down. The 1/1 means 1 up, 1 down. Do you understand? Please, someone's mic, my voice is so echoing. Someone's mic is on the light. Okay, thank you so much. So that is what we mean when we talk about the numerator over the denominator. And then for cats, the incisor for cats is 3/3, the canine is 1/1, the premolar is 3/2, the molar is 1/1, taking the total dental formula to be 30. What this simply means is that a full-grown man has 32 teeth. A full-grown dog has 42, sheep 32, cat 30. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any
sir.
questions? Any questions?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yeah. So I found out that the bird has 0 teeth.
Find out that
Bird, like bird.
you know bird most of we are talking about teeth in mammals because we are making it in reference to their feeding abilities. And scientifically, bird is classified under having a feeding ability using its beak. That is the pointed mouth. Exactly. So that is the classification when you put them under feeding. Do you understand that now? So please get conversant with these. Get conversant with these. You can come to a particular question, biology jam question number 5. I is a particular dental formula. I is a particular dental formula. Under it now says, the above dental formula represents which mammals simultaneously? The above dental formula represents which mammals simultaneously? You have the 2 dental formulas, and now you have your A to D or A to E option for you to detect the particular mammal with those 2 dental formulas. So please take your time to get conversant with all these formulas.
Sir,
okay, now
I want to ask something. This P can also be said as PM, right? Because when I was in school, we always use premolar as PM.
Yes, you can see premolar as P. You can also see premolar as PM. If you see P, no, they're talking about premolar. If you see PM, they're still talking about premolar.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now that is all about dentition. We'll be getting into a new topic known as the Mammalian Alimentary Canal. The Mammalian Alimentary Canal. The Mammalian Alimentary Canal. When we are talking about the Mammalian Alimentary Canal, we are literally talking about the feeding or digestion system of mammals. We are talking about the feeding or the digestive process of mammals. So the alimentary canal of mammal, these are what makes up the alimentary canal of mammal. The alimentary canal of mammal are those parts that enhances proper digestion in mammal. Those parts that enhance proper digestion in mammals, ranging from the mouth to the anus. You know, digestion goes through a certain pathway. Food doesn't just enter your mouth and the next thing is
Please come again.
Alimentary canal are those parts that enhances digestion of food in mammals. Those parts that enhance digestion of food in mammals, ranging from the mouth to the anus. Did you get that? So,
Yes, sir.
alimentary canal now, the food we eat doesn't just enter our mouth and automatically leaks through our anus. No. There are a whole lot of processes the food we eat undergo. It passes through a whole lot of processes. These processes can actually, you can say that the food you eat passes, the moment the food enters your mouth, it passes through what we call GI tract. The moment food enters your mouth, it passes what we call GI tract. That is the gastrointestinal tract. Okay, let me put that up.
Sir, please come again, sir.
Okay, I said that the food we eat passes through a pathway known as the GI tract. That's on my screen. GI tract, and this GI tract means gastrointestinal tract. Attention on my screen so you can guess the correct spelling and what it looks like.
All right, sir.
GI tract, known as the gastrointestinal tract. So this is a pathway through which the food we consume, the moment it enters the buccal cavity, the moment it enters the mouth, the mouth scientifically can also be called buccal cavity. The mouth can also be called the buccal cavity. Anywhere in science you see buccal cavity, know that it's in reference to the mouth, the buccal cavity. So wherever food enters through the mouth, it passes through a whole lot of gastrointestinal tracts before the unnecessary parts of that food leaves our body. Now, that gastrointestinal tract encompasses both the esophagus, the stomach, the duodenum, the small intestine that can also be called the ileum, the cecum, the appendix, the large intestine that can also be called the colon, the rectum, and then the anus. This list is on my screen. Now, all these parts perform specific functions that facilitate digestion of food. They perform specific functions that facilitate digestion of food. It wouldn't take much time in it. I'll just hit the nail on the head for us to understand the specific major functions of each of those parts. Talking about the mouth. The mouth is the part of the alimentary canal where the digestion starts. It's the alimentary canal of where digestion starts. Digestion cannot start without the mouth because that is where the assimilation of food takes place. Ingestion of food takes place in the mouth. So the mouth, I say that the mouth is the starting point. digestion or the starting point of the metric. It is the starting point or the starting point of the metric or the starting point of digestion. It is where digestion starts. When I explain it to what digestion starts because digestion of food takes place in the mouth. The mouth, just like you already know, it contains teeth.